Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry jam. You will need 750 grams of strawberries, either frozen or fresh, 500 grams of jam sugar, which is sugar with added pectin, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So before you do anything else, you want to put 2 plates into the fridge. I'm going to show you 2 methods of testing when a jam is ready to set, and one of them requires very, very cold plates. So firstly, in a large saucepan, you want to add your strawberries and your lemon juice and heat for 5 minutes to release the juices. Then add your sugar. Give it a really good mix until the sugar is well dissolved. And then bring the jam to a boil and boil for 8 to 10 minutes. So the reason why I say use a large saucepan is because when it boils, it will more than double in size, and if you're not watching it, it will boil over. So once you've boiled for 8 to 10 minutes, you then want to test your jam. So firstly, take your jam off the heat, and then for the first method, we're going to use that very, very cold plate. You want to spoon a good blob of jam in the middle of the plate and pop to one side for 2 minutes to allow the jam to cool. For the second method, you want to use a wooden spoon. Simply scoop up some of your jam into your wooden spoon and pop to one side to allow it to cool for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 minutes, you want to test it. So with the plate, you want to run your finger through the middle of the jam. If the jam wrinkles, then it is ready to go. If it doesn't and it just moves like a normal liquid, it's not quite ready to set, and you want to boil your jam for a further 2 minutes and test again. And with the wooden spoon, you want to tip the jam from the wooden spoon into your saucepan, and if the jam falls as one giant blob, then it is ready to set. If it falls as a normal liquid, again, you want to boil it for a couple of minutes before you test again. So when your jam is ready, you then want to pour it into sterilised jars. So to sterilise your jars, I just get some boiling water, pour it into the jar, give it a little bit of a swirl round and pour out. Obviously with boiling water, be really, really careful because I don't want anyone scalding themselves. And then once you've sterilised your jars, you simply want to pour the jam in. So I just like to put my jam into a jug just to make it easier to pour into the jars. And then once you've filled up all your jars, pop the lid on while the jam is still hot. This is going to help create a vacuum in the top of the jar, which will help keep the jam longer. And there you have it. That's how you make strawberry jam.